Welcome everybody to the vlog. It's Sunday fun day. I have the three musketeers with me, Grayson, Carter, and Lincoln. And we got something cool in store for you. Let's let Grayson open up this bag so you guys can guess what we're gonna build. Again, if you like our videos, please hit subscribe, like, and share for all your friends. All right, let's see. What is those? Those are bungee cords. Stretch it all the way out. So it's a bungee cord. Okay, don't let go. That would hurt.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete.
We have all this extra aluminum.
Aluminium.
We're gonna build something with it. So you gotta kind of guess what we're gonna build. So you gotta comment below if you think you know what we're gonna build. But here's all the aluminum. Whoa. All right, here. Let me help you. Come here. Let's check it out. All right, hold on. Hold on. All right. Push two hands. This hand's got to be up here. There you go. Push down. There you go. All right, next one. Two hands. Make sure it's in. All right, good job, man. Alright, just push it all the way through. Any of you have any ideas yet? If you do, comment below what you think we're building. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. It's welding time. We have a very special guest welding for her first time, so please give her a round of applause.
Oh, hell no!
Okay. Yeah. Ready? All right, keep your hood on. Okay. What's your angle? Your angle's way, hold on. Okay. It's a test.
Oh, test! Yeah, no. Look.
I know this is just test one. Where's Gray?
He's inside.
Holy moly, dude. Okay, here we go. Get back farther. 3, 2, 1. Want another one? Let's try it one more time. See if you can catch this one. All right, here we go. Ready? Go for the pass. Here we go.
Oh crap.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Fire. Well, get back farther. This could fly off. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, ready? Go catch this one. I need you. Ready? Get back farther. Farther. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. No!
Epic fail.
And we're back.
Epic fail.
And we're back. All right, get back. We'll catch this. Catch it, man.
Don't want my water bottle.
Epic fail.
Redesign number 17. All right, so we're going like this. There's the handle. Pull back all the way. Watch your fingers on the end. Farther.
3,
all the way down.
2, 1.
Okay. All right.
What?
Keep going.
2, 1.
2. Oh, it's gonna be a big spring. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Success.
12 seconds later.
Oh, I'm a Mario.
Oh, mine. Blazed. Are you serious right now? Unleash the dogs.
You're just a ball, you're just a ball, you're weak.
Boo.
Here we go. 3. What? Winston! Here we go. It's Mario. Get ready. 3. Do not poke each other. 2, 1.
Hashtag Grim Reaper down.
3, 2, 1. Fire. Look at the camera. Get down there and look at the camera.
Let me see what I look like. No,
Epic.
Okay, show us what we got.
we got bouncy balls.
How many do you think's in there?
Like 100.
100? How many do you think's in there, Lincoln?
100.
Okay, show me.
I think it's 100 million.
All right, give me a tour of your catapult float. What do you got on here?
We got the light bulb
Oh man, that's changing colors pretty slow.
and this way.
Ooh, was that a disco bulb? 3, 2, 1.
Run in my bucket! You ever had a dream? You can don't